another guitar, and he started playing. And the lyrics of the song were, yeah. We won't be able to sing it. I'll just like give you a few of the lyrics. He would say, the guitar did not miss a rehearsal. The guitar was my best friend. The guitar didn't give him a headache. It did exactly as he directed it. And it was always there, always present. And that takes me to Alex Mukulu, the perfectionist. Somebody talked about his need to have a perfect piece of work. If he said, move right twice, move left, turn around, jump, and kneel down, you had to do exactly that. Exactly that. So being an actor who was fresh from university, and I was looking for a director who had substance and who would guide me to the next level, working with Alex was it. But it was also like being in a boot camp. You're like, boot camp. And I mean, he would tear you apart artistically. Leave you to sort of pick yourself up, fit your jigsaw puzzle, articulate your why are you in the field of performing arts, and brand yourself to be able to stand for that one thing that he said, if you do not stand for something, you will go for anything. The other thing he used to ask us, he said, are you here to flirt with the creative arts space, or are you here to actually take the journey? And he would ask me, Gwe kakaya, miaka video novo chali one. As in, like, you little Kaya, will you be here 20 years down the road? Alex, next year I will be in the field of creative arts for 40 years. So I am still here. I am here. I am still here. And I am here because I started with you. We never always so eye to eye, but I am so glad that we had the many conversations that we had. And I am so glad that whatever disagreement we always had, we always came to a conclusion, a positive conclusion. And I have one regret with Alex Mukulu. We started on an idea of production in 2021, which he called Wounds of Apartheid. I was hoping that we would actually stay. We went to be with the Lord, but you didn't do that. But I'm going to do my best to do it, and it will be a tribute to you. So fellow creatives, as you are clapping for me, I am going to come to you to ask you to support me to make sure that we actually stage that performance and give a tribute to our legend, Alex Mukulu, a loving husband, a doting father, a good friend, a great mentor, brutally honest, who stood by the principles he stood for. Thank you very much, Alex. Thank you so much. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you so much.